Alrighty, folks, we are at our next shipper. We are docked in the loading bay. It's also one of those fun situations where you get someone backing in next to you and it's a tricky dock, but he seems to have it. You got a lot of room here to get it right, so it's not like you have to do a blind side. But it doesn't help that whoever painted the lines here was, I guess, drunk, because none of the lines are straight. Not a one. Wow, smart dude. Just walk behind a trailer that's backing up. That is not a good idea. Also, Werner, you need to open your doors, dude. It's cool, it's cool. We'll be loaded shortly, and we'll get the heck out of here. Not sure where we're parking for the night. I've got about 5.5 hours on my clock right now, so we lose whatever time we spend loading, and then once we are loaded, we'll head for either the Petro in Ontario. That's the closest cat scale, so we'll probably go there to scale out. And then I don't know where we're spending the night. We're either going to spend the night there at the Petro, or we might go up to Victorville and try and find a spot there. That might be a good idea. That guy looks like Bill. That guy looks like one of our night dispatchers. He's a grizzled trucking veteran. Alright, I'll be right back. Those don't look fun. It's like some kind of wire that she had to twist around it because it doesn't have enough chain. But, alright, so that was fun. That was fun. What else are we going to do tonight? We're not going to do much else tonight. We're just going to get loaded, get to a cat scale, get weighed, and head to parking. A nice quiet day here in Southern California. But then we get to head up into Nevada tomorrow. Can you not do the high beams, dude? Ah! Gosh, that sucks in the rain. I just got drenched. Alright, which way are you trying to go, dude? So I assume you're cutting right? Yup! I knew this guy would have zero thought for whoever was behind him, because he was, he cut like right in front of me to take the exit. Alright, we are first going to go to the cat scale, and I saw a couple of empty spots, so I know where to find them if we don't get one of the nice easy pull-throughs, which we are going to go for a pull-through tonight. Oh, there's the spot right there. No, that's a bad spot. That's a horrible spot. That's the kind of spot where you get hit in the middle of the night because people don't turn wide enough. That bobtail has the right idea. You take that spot, but you pull far enough in that if someone takes the turn too sharp, they hit the other truck and not you.
0.2 miles ahead, turn left.
Yeah, actually, I just realized my GPS is trying to guide me through the truck stop to your current stop, yeah, to get me to the cat scale.
0.2 miles ahead, turn left.
Alright, we are 235 miles from our fuel stop. Let's just stop navigating for tonight. There's some good spots back here, actually. That's not bad. I often 90 into one of these spots when I get here super early if it's really just like completely empty. brave soul nosing into a 90-degree spot. That might be a little hard to get out of in the morning. Is that a pull through? No, I thought it was for a second, but nope. Alright, so right. Now left. Actually someone on the in the Catskill box? That'd be kind of weird. Alright, are all my axles good? All my axles are good. Okay. Let's just use the app. Thank you! We overloaded our tail by 300 pounds. I'm not worried about that. Now, I'm pretty sure I'm less likely to have an issue if I'm a couple inches, oh, high person right in front of me. If I have my axles a couple inches too far back than if I am overweight, so. Okay, let's try that again. Alright. That was a great spot we just found. I'm gonna go make sure I'm far enough back in the spot and my tails aren't at risk of getting crushed at some point. But we're backed up to a prime driver that also has his tails out, and there's like a row of, there's like a parking aisle between these two rows. So I think we're good. I'm still gonna go check it out anyway because I'm that kind of driver. And I will see you guys tomorrow. My name is Ellie O'Dare, AsAranger17 on Twitter, Xbox Live, and Steam. Drop and say hi. Let me know if you enjoy the videos by clicking like or subscribe. And of course, come say hi on the Twitters at Ellie O'Dare. No apostrophe in the username. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. And I hope you guys drop some comments below the videos. I do enjoy reading those. I read them all. They forward to my phone. My tablet. I read them on my tablet now, not my phone. So yeah, that's an excellent way to get a hold of me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Hey, so, sorry. Quick update. I busted out my tape measure, by which I mean I bought a tape measure. Conveniently. Pretty much enough to pay for parking. So I got a tape measure and I checked our Kingpin to rear axle length, which is what matters for California. In the state of California, your Kingpin to center of rear axle length has to be 40 feet or less. And so according to Prime, that is the 6th hole or further forward on their trailers. We are currently in the 7th hole. So I measured from the back of the trailer to the center of our rear axle 10 feet exactly. So we are okay. If we're over, because I had the tape measure hooked to the DOT bumper, so that might be like a little over an inch further out than the rest of the trailer. But from the rear of the trailer to the center of the rear axle, I measured 10 feet exactly. So that and of course our Kingpin is set 3 feet back from the nose, so 3 feet, 53-foot trailer, 10 feet from the back of the trailer. So that's 40 feet from the Kingpin to the center of the rear axle. So we should be good. If we're off, it's by less than an inch, and I think they'll let us get away with that here. So, yeah, we're not running illegal after all. Thank goodness. Thank goodness. I talked to a really experienced truck driver in our night dispatch office, and he said, you're probably still okay in the 7th hole, but check it with your tape measure real quick. And I thought I had a tape measure, and it wasn't in the box where I thought I kept it. So, oops, I have a tape measure now. I definitely have a tape measure now. Possibly there are 2 tape measures in this truck now, but one of them I know where it is. So, we have checked. We also, and there was a claw machine inside the TA. I got $20 out of the ATM, and like, I'll just spend this 20 here, and that'll be my parking for the night. And then I put that entire 20. Well, I put 17 of it into a claw machine, and won. So I have 2 lovely little plush Yoshis that I've added to my collection. You can find pictures of them on the Twitters at Ellie O'Dare, no apostrophe in the username, so come say hi there. You can see the Yoshis I pulled out of the claw machine here in Ontario, California. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.